Okay guys, let's unbox the first charger. As you can see, this one has a cooling fan inside. We get some documents, and I think we get a charging brick with this. Yes, we get a 45-watt adapter. We get a Type C to Type C cable, and the best thing is this is braided. So we get a braided cable and the quality feels very good. And also we have some more things inside. And then we also get a magnetic ring to put on the cases in which you don't have the Magsafe. And also we get a carrying pouch with this. This is cool. Okay, so let's talk about the build quality first. It's made up of a very good plastic. I think the material is very good. And here is the cooling fan. It pulls the air from here and then it exhausts it from here. So this is how the circulation is. And the build quality is very good. I actually like it. And also this can turn into a very compact travel charger. This is one of the good things that I like about this. Okay, so let's plug this in. One of the very good things I've seen in this, there is a light indicator. Whenever you keep your things, like your earbuds, you will get a light here. You don't need to see behind it's charging or not. And then we take the watch. And this watch section here has magnets. So when you place it, you get a good snap. So it is a very good feeling when you place your watch here. Okay, so this is the disclaimer. All the chargers mentioned charge S26 Ultra at full 25 watt. Everything has been tested. I'm not showing everything in the video, but all the chargers that are in this video are charging S26 Ultra at full 25 watt. And I am using the Spigen transparent case for charging. And it's charging with super fast wireless charging with its 25 watt wireless. Okay guys, let's do the sound test of the fan inside. The fan is currently blowing. Okay, let's see how is the sound here. I'm keeping the mic so close so the sound will be very much obvious. And if you want to turn off the fan, there is a button here which you can press. If you press it once it's blue, it means the fan will turn on. And like you see, after placing the phone, the speed slowly builds up. According to my testing, it takes 2 to 3 minutes for the full 25 watt charging to reach at the peak. The inbuilt cooling fan is one of the biggest selling point of this charger. This will keep your phone cool while charging at the full 25 watt. And as you all know, the more fast you charge, the more heat is produced. So in wireless charging, a lot of heat is produced and your battery will degrade quickly. And this active cooling with the fan will help a lot. So this is the first recommendation that I want to make, and this is one of the best one I've used. And this is on the top of my recommendation list. So now we'll talk about the next charger in the list, which is this 3-in-1 charger. This actually looks very good. This is how it looks. I actually like the build quality a lot. Everything is plastic here. There is a alloy here, and everything else is plastic. There are heat vents here behind. This is not air cooling, this is just for heat to escape, and the similar is here. So it looks pretty cool with the clock. So let's start with the charging of the phone, and it's showing super fast wireless charging. The official Samsung case is G2 certified, so we get the full charging speeds here. And if you see here, there is a touch sensor with which you can change the colors. You can swipe and you can long press this, turn this off. Okay, so you all will have your Galaxy watches. This is the main reason you are watching this video, because all the other 3-in-1 wireless chargers with 25 watt doesn't support Galaxy watches. They only support Apple watches. And then I have my Galaxy Buds 3 Pro here, which will wireless charge. So if you see here, it's showing 18. So it's pulling 18 watts from the output, and the phone is charging with 15 watts. And one thing you guys have to note, that the watch charger doesn't have any magnet. So if you place your watch, if you move it, something will fall away. But if this is flat, you can just place it like this and it will start charging. We also have options here for the alarm. So for the price that we pay this, I think it's a pretty nice deal. It's 60. Now let me show you the speaker quality. I think for the price it is very good. The speaker quality, I think it is pretty good. The bass is like very medium, not very good, but this should have not been included, but it's just like get one buy one free thing. Other chargers in this list are also similar priced, and they don't have this fancy things, so I think it's pretty good. Okay, we have this cute small chargers, like very small. That was so huge, and this is so small. It's also 25 watt G2 25 watt certified. Okay, let's open this and see what do we get. Oh, yeah, in this we only get the cable and no adapter, and they recommend 45 watt adapter, and I will be using the same adapter as before, which we had in the other one. Okay, so let's start with the buds. Oh, there is a light here. As you can see, it's charging. Okay, so the buds are charging, and this has magnets which give a very satisfying feeling when you can just leave it and it will start charging. Saying super fast wireless charging, it means yes, it is working properly at 25 watt. And in this you can also place it horizontally. Okay, so I got this for 50, which is again a Prime exclusive price. I'm not sure what will be the price. If you are not Prime, I will attach the screenshot here. So yeah, this charger is pretty good. It is compact, and I will only recommend this if you want for travel. If you are looking for a bedside 3-in-1 charger, this is a no from me, because it is too much congested. I like things more spread out and open. Okay, so now we will start with the fourth 3-in-1 charger, which is from Belkin. As you can see here, the smartwatch charger is not included. This is actually 2-in-1. This is also soft touch silicone, and the phone goes here, the buds goes here, and the watch charger comes out like this. And as you can see, this is the Samsung charging puck that I got in the box with my watch. So we have to manually put that here. So there is no any watch charger. 2 USB-C ports. This is the charger that we get in the box on the Samsung. We have to put this from here. This is the area, and we just push the puck inside. And then we'll plug this thing here. So this is how the whole setup will look. This is the phone, and it's super fast wireless charging. You have the watch, and then at last we have the buds. So now we'll talk about the next charger in the list, which is this 3-in-1 charger. This is whole plastic, and in the box you get 45 watt adapter and a cable. Okay, so now let's check how does this works. This is not foldable, this is solid. Everything is made of plastic, and this is all plastic. And when you place the buds and then you take the watch, this area has magnet, so it's a very satisfying to put, and then you can just place your phone. Pricing of this is 60, and this is not any Prime exclusive price. This is the official price, which is 60. One of the things I like, they have magnet here, so when you place it like this and feel the magnet, it just gives this satisfying lock that yeah, it's there. And then you can place buds, and I mostly do like this. Yeah, this one is recommended. Okay, now let's talk about the last and the final. This is like 5-in-1 wireless charging station, and everything what we saw in this video, everything is Chinese except Belkin, and maybe that also made in China. So this one, and we also get Type-C to C cable and a 45-watt GAN charger. Okay, so talking about the charger, the whole charger is just plastic. There's a speaker here and there are lights, and then this is everything. The watch goes here, the buds go here, and the phone goes here. So I have paired it with my phone. Let's see how is the audio quality in this. Okay, so this is how the speaker sounds. It's average. This is not a speaker, this is a charger, but they want to add a speaker thinking that people will buy it due to that. I don't know why they even add the speakers and all. So the main functioning, it works super fast wireless charging. There are no magnets in this, so I don't feel that satisfying when I place it. You get a adapter in the box, which is a good thing. It's fine, nothing extraordinary.